Hey everybody, it's Roya. Today I was thinking about the whole critical project of Kant, Immanuel Kant, and that exploration of the limits of conditions of knowledge. And I'm particularly thinking about the critique of the judgment, which is more directly related to static, but he had already produced the critique for pure reason, in which Kant argues for the transcendental aesthetics, an approach to the problem of perception, something that cognitive scientists today are wrestling with still. In this pointing to problems of perception, he points to time and space and argues that they're not to be objects. The first critic argues that space and time are there to provide ways in which the observing subject's mind receives data, and then putting that data into judgment would kind of produce the next level of perception. And there are certain fundamental contradictions that he points to in the dialectic use of reason, and most particularly there is a complete inability to favor, on the one hand, the argument that all behaviors and thoughts are determined by the external causes, and on the other hand, there's an actual spontaneous nature in the causal principle at work in human behavior that we again, this is a good framework for understanding the static argument. And as I say always, this is us as humans. The painting, the art, the statics are not something separate to be looked at. It's us. It's the expression of us. And getting to a static discussion, it's like being in a therapist office and directly reflecting on your own life. So let's paint.